Hello guys, my name is Khushbu Nandanwar. Today video topic is hierarchy of exception handling. The exception handling in Java is the one of the powerful mechanism of handle the runtime error so that the the normal flow of the application can be maintained in the exception handling. In this what is exception handling in Java? In Java, exception handling it is an event that disrupt the normal flow of the program. It is called as the exception handling in the runtime. So, what is exception handling? Exception handling is the mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. So, hierarchy of exception handling, then advantages of exception handling. Advantages of exception handling is the core advantages of exception handling is the maintain to the normal flow of the program application. An exception normally disrupt the normal flow of the application that it's why we need to handle the exception. It is considered to the exception. So suppose those are the statement are in Java program that exception occur in this statement of the five then do not exception code in the Java, that is statement of the not it is executed in the program. However, when we perform the exception handling in the Java, the rest of this statement will be executed, that will be exception handle in the Java. So hierarchy of exception handling, then it is a throwable exception and then it is exception and hierarchy of inherited in the two subclass. Then throwable exception. Exception means IO dot exception, SQL exception, class not found exception. Then it is a error. Check error and uncheck error. Then powerful exception, it is a arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number of format in the exception, iterable exception in the Java. Types of exception, check exception and uncheck exception, it is a error exception. There are mainly two types of exception. There it is a check exception and uncheck exception. That's all about the hierarchy of exception handling in Java. Thank you.